Imagine holding the power to transform your home in the palm of your hand. Precise, effortless, and ready to tackle nearly any repair challenge. Discover how the TEGATOK 20V cordless drill set is designed to be your trusted companion for home improvement. Let's begin with a clear exploration of the drill specifications. The 20V operating voltage and 2000 mAh lithium battery provide ample power and extended operation for continuous use. Enjoy variable speed control for both high-speed drilling and low-speed precision. The 3/8" keyless chuck allows quick, tool-free bit changes for fast-paced projects. The 18+3 clutch settings offer superior torque control, maxing out at 45 Nm. Drill into soft woods or sturdy plastics confidently, without damage or stripped screws. Lightweight plastic construction and ergonomic design reduce fatigue so you can work longer and more comfortably on repairs and installations. The integrated work light illuminates dim spaces, ensuring safety and accuracy wherever you need to work, even in dark corners or under cabinets. Dual variable speed controls empower you to handle both delicate tasks and demanding repairs. Pre-drill for shelves, assemble furniture, or fix hinges with ease. The set includes high-quality drill bits and a storage box, keeping everything organized and accessible. Fast charging means less downtime, and the battery-powered plug offers flexibility. Learn how to select clutch settings for different materials, swap bits with the keyless chuck, and adjust speed for each project. Practical, step-by-step guidance ensures you know what to do and why it matters. Proper maintenance is key. Charge the lithium battery to maximize lifespan. Clean and store bits, and keep your set protected from damage. Troubleshoot common issues like bit slippage and battery replacement. Quick fixes keep you working efficiently and prevent downtime. Harness the drill's full potential with expert tips. Customize clutch settings for different screw sizes. Use the work light for intricate jobs, and organize your workspace for maximum efficiency. As you master each feature, gain confidence to tackle new projects, from assembling furniture to ambitious DIY renovations. The TEGATOK drill equips you with both tools and knowledge. This guide is your go-to reference for safe, efficient, and professional home repairs. With the TEGATOK 20V cordless drill set, every task becomes a testament to your capability. Step forward, empowered and equipped to make every task a success. Let's get started on your home improvement journey.